Hi! In this video, we're going to talk about how you can add a Pluralmind compatible chat widget to your Twitch streams. So we actually have a Pluralmind library that you can use to add, Pluralmind to any chat widget that you have and want. But if you're not into coding and you're not very tech savvy, this is going to be the easiest option out there because it's already integrated. All you have to do is a few clicks and you'll be good to go. So let's jump into how that's going to work. So you'll see we're here at the Pluralmind website, and even without being logged in, you'll see that we have this Pluralmind for Streamers button down here. So go ahead and click on that. And then we have our resources here, which again, we're adding more integrations all the time. So there will be more here that just doesn't require any setup in the future. But for now, Slime2 chat widgets and alert overlays are completely good to go. So we're going to start by getting Slime2. And we're going to go ahead and download, this is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux. I'm going to go ahead and just download the x64 one for Windows. And we're going to run that installer. You might get this Windows protected your PC warning. The software is safe. It's open source on GitHub. You are okay to run it. It's just a signing thing. And let's bring this over here. We're going to just go ahead and install it. And then we'll go ahead and say launch Slime2. And when Slime2 boots up, it'll look like this. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is actually go to the Accounts tab and add your Twitch account. So for a chat widget, you actually only need a read account. If you're going to be making a bot, you'll obviously need a bot account, but for our purposes, I'm just going to set up a read account, and that'll just be my regular Twitch username. So I'm going to go ahead and do this quick, and I will be right back. And we're back. It's going to have set as default account by default, so you can leave that there and just hit save. And now we're going to go back over to widgets. So all you need to do is click on one of these empty widgets, hit install new widget, and then we're going to choose Chatbox. That's going to create this widget here. We'll click on it. And this is where you can customize a lot of settings about it. So thankfully, Zaytree's made this default widget quite flexible. You can add background colors, you can change fonts, font sizes, a whole bunch of really fun, exciting things for styling and stuff. If you scroll down further, you'll see that there's a plurality section, and it's actually already enabled by default. So we're actually just going to go over here and hit overlay URL, and we're going to copy this. Then we're going to head over to our OBS. We'll go ahead and add a new browser source, and we'll call it, Slime2 chat overlay. And it's going to say, okay, great, what's the URL? And we're just going to paste that in from Slime2. And we'll make this just so that it's a little bit easier to see. We'll make this bigger. You can change the intrinsic dimensions too, but for this demo, this should be fine. So now, first of all, it's a normal chat overlay. So if I go over here and I type test, we should see that message show up right there, which it does. And now if I send a proxied message from, let's say, Leah, hi, here's a message from Leah, we'll see that it comes right through. We see Leah's headmate name, her pronouns, and her color. If we do one from Samara, hi from Samara, same thing here. Now, if you want, you do have the option in these settings that we were looking at before to keep original usernames, and I'll show you what that does. So right now, all we see here is Leah and Samara. If we toggle this on, you'll see that it keeps leah.in.moonlight, which is my Twitch username, and puts it right next to each headmate's name. So you have complete control whether you want to show that here or not. In your chat, you'll always be able to click on a name to see that anyway, so you might not want to clutter up chat with that, but the choice is totally yours. And yeah, that's all you have to do to add a Slime2 chat widget to OBS. I hope that was nice and easy. Again, we have a lot more integrations coming, and if there is an existing chat widget that you really love and you want to hold on to, reach out. Our socials are on pluralmind.chat, and we'd be happy to help you figure out how to integrate it. We have a really easy to use TypeScript library that it practically just drops in. So even if you're not tech savvy, we can help walk you through it. It's not as difficult as you think. But yeah, thank you all so much, and I hope you all have a lovely rest of your day. Bye.